friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will discuss why 6 is a divisor of 18. So let's start. Firstly, we will learn the definition of a divisor. A number x is said to be a divisor of another number y if the quotient y by x is an integer. Now, in our case, if we divide 18 by 6, we get 3, which is an integer. So, according to this definition, 6 is a divisor of 18. Go to Google and type divisor of 18 Mathstoon and click on the link which is appeared first. Here, you will get the detail of divisors of 18. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on this video. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.